My task is to create a schematic plan using new walls. I could start by using lines from here, 8 feet down to have my room, up 5 inches, which is the wall thickness we use. I need to change these lines to a different layer so we can freeze them in certain plans. So let's see how we can streamline that process. For that, we're going to use a multi-line. It's simply a way to create walls that have multiple lines together, like this one. How you create that? By going to the multi-line style over here, the new option, name my wall, maybe wall new, and I click continue. AutoCAD gave us 0.5, the top one and the bottom one minus 0.5. That will give me 1 inch here in AutoCAD imperial units in the US. I'm gonna add one more of these elements, so add 0.3. Then I'm gonna add one more that needs to be a minus 0.3. It's important also to check the start and end so that when you draw your multi-line walls, they are capped or closed automatically. If I use the multi-line command with its shortcut ML to start creating my walls over here, I said I want 10 feet and go down. There are a couple of problems. It's coming as a block. We don't want this at the office because everyone uses our plans. I'll have to explode this, change some layers manually. Let's automate that process. I'm gonna open the tool palette with Ctrl+3 and drag this rectangle over here on my ribbon. Right click and properties, start creating your command. So I'm gonna call this lazy wall new. Now that we have created a couple of layers for our new wall, I want to set the multi-line style current. I'm not gonna start writing these characters from scratch. I'm just gonna go to our guide and find the creation section and paste it. Click OK. Next time I need to finish my schematic plan, all I gotta do is use my lazy wall new. A huge thanks to our patrons who make these tutorials possible. If you want to download all our AutoCAD blogs, macros, files, then check our community link below.